One of the questions that people often answer wrong in their interviews, समझ में ही नहीं आते ये वाले आंसर को कैसे करें, are the simple what questions. What is machine learning? What is artificial intelligence? What is linear regression? Answering such questions is actually very easy. Remember, 3 चीजें याद रखनी है. सबसे पहले अपने आंसर में होना चाहिए what. What is linear regression? Linear regression is a supervised machine learning technique in which we try to predict a continuous random variable. सबसे पहले जवाब देना है what. अगर उसके बाद भी इंटरव्यू को इंटरेस्ट है, then continue on how. Linear regression is a supervised machine learning technique in which we predict a continuous target variable using one or multiple explanatory variables by connecting them via a straight or a linear relationship. Maybe an equation of that linear relationship would look like y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x1, beta 2 x2, and so on. This second part is the how part. The third part, which is again optional depending on how much patience does the interviewer have, will be why. Why do we do such a thing? Let's take the example. What is linear regression? Linear regression is a supervised machine learning technique in which we try to predict a continuous target variable using one or multiple explanatory variables, utilizing a linear relationship between them. The equation would look like y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2. The reason we would do such a thing is ultimately to convert some explanatory variable into a target variable value which we would want to predict. Straight line being the simplest, most relationship that can be possible, we start with a straight line. However, we can move on to a curve kind of a relationship too by doing some kind of feature transformation. This last part remains optional. The second part and the first part are sort of mandatory. The first part is definitely the question that is being explicitly asked. So, what, how, why? This is the answer.